We're here launching the InStart system to the consumers, and yeah, it's gone down very, very well so far. Particularly the ladies have found it nice and simple. They've been really surprised at how easy it is. They're very surprised faces just when the engine starts up so quickly. I think the size of the battery surprised the consumer as well, just how small it is and how compact the system is sitting on top of the engine.
A lot easier than pulling. For someone who's using it 3 and 4 hours in a day, day in, day out, it makes life a lot easier. And I think the recharger is a great idea. So that's something I just put on charge in the evenings, plug it on in the morning, away I go all day. No shoulder aching anymore, which would be marvellous. A really good idea, which is a bit of a revelation for something so simple, and why no one else has thought of it before now.
Amazingly, it started really fast, and I was amazed that you didn't have to pull any grip cords or anything. Yes, I'd want one.
From a professional point of view, makes starting and stopping, because obviously if you're trying to empty the grass box, you have to stop the mower these days. So very good idea.
It's absolutely brilliant. Very simple, very straightforward to use. Efficient, easy to use, and quite snazzy. The cords, they just go all over, they break, and get your finger caught on them sometimes. So yeah, they're absolutely brilliant.
It is extremely easy to start, and it really is brilliant. Very, very simple, very straightforward. It does exactly what one wants a mower engine to do.
Very easy, very quick and easy, yeah.
Very impressive, particularly as it takes away the need to put any energy into starting the mower.
I think it's a brilliant idea. Long overdue.